In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off auto refresh mode in ClickUp dashboard. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on dashboard, and then you'll see all the dashboards that you have. Go ahead and click on the dashboard that you want to turn on or off auto refresh mode, and I like to turn it here. So you can see currently auto refresh mode is turned on. If I want to disable it, I'll just go ahead and click on it, and that means that any change that I make here will not appear to the other users that we are sharing this workspace with. However, if I want the changes that I make to appear to them or to share with them these changes in real time, I'll go ahead and enable auto refresh mode. So that's how you can turn on or off auto refresh mode in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.